The terraced university is a haven of knowledge, built with sustainability as one of its pillars, providing students with comfort, green scenery, and essential knowledge, using green buildings and effective sustainable systems. The topics that we include in our university design concept are sustainability, environmental friendly, building orientation, good ventilation, solar shading, recycled material, clean energy, and vegetation utilization. We call this concept compact, green, and clean. We want students to focus on their study while not receiving too much distractions from inessentials. So we try to minimize everything, leaving all the essential things as the quote, less is more. In the current world, we need to face many environmental problems such as global warming, waste overflow, and extinction. We, as a part of good global citizens, need to design buildings that support the world in a sustainable way. As you can see in the first slide, our university contains many buildings and facilities, such as faculty buildings, library, and gym. But before we talk about each facilities, first, I want to talk about the waterway and the green space system in our university. We have many waterways in our university for two main purposes. The first reason, of course, is that water is essential in many things in our lives. When the scenery has water inside, it provides a sense of nature and relaxation, which can improve the mental health of our personnel in the university. And for the second reason is to defend against the risk of flooding, acting as a water storage in time of need. Next is a green space system, which we have a lot in our university. The importance of this system is first, that can make students feel more relaxed, so it can be a relaxing space for students. Secondly, it can purify the air, reducing the carbon dioxide and give us more oxygen. Lastly, this can reduce the risk of flooding using the dirt and trees as water soakers.
For the next topic I want to talk about is the public transportations in the universities. There are three entrances to get into universities, and let's see how we can get there. For the first entrance, as you can see in number 24, we can use public bus or public vans to come here. And for the second entrance, number 22, you can use BTS SkyTrains. And for the last entrance, number 23, you can come here by using public liveaboards provided by universities. Additionally, the universities also provide facilities for students and teachers to move around in university easily by providing them a university shuttle bus, bicycle rental service, and bicycle lane. Next locations I want to talk about is landmark of our university, and that landmark is the pavilions at the centers of these locations. We got inspired by Sukhothai Thamathirath University's pavilions, which is located in the center of the pond, surrounded by many trees and flowers. We want everyone who comes here to feel relaxed and feel the sense of nature after their hard activities and study. Our canteens. The building was inspired by the canteen from other developed countries. The building is not built to be only a simple canteen, but it was also built for personnel who use it to feel no worry about the virus while eating, since it has zoning every table to have a distance about 3 meters from each table, and it also has an open air ventilation to prevent the virus from accumulating inside canteens and prevent the unwanted smell in it. For the faculty buildings and the dormitory buildings, we construct them to be green buildings which use the wind from nature and shade from trees on the building to provide good air ventilation.
For the student center, the building has a total of 2 zones, which are quiet zone and meeting zone. In the quiet zone, we prepare this zone for students who want to do the work quietly or want to chill peacefully. And the meeting zone is for the students who want to do group work, talk with their friends, or brainstorm with each other. In the student center, we also have a swimming pool and a gym inside it for students who love to play sports. We not only emphasize on sustainability, but also our personal as well. Good work comes from good health. Moving to the sustainability. One of our university goals is to be a sustainable university. But what actually is a sustainable university? According to SDG, in order to be a sustainable university, we need to achieve each of the criteria above.
In our university, because we are concerned about the water problem, we also have water management to purify the polluted water. First, we have cesspool to contain the polluted water from the whole university. After that, we will use the water mills to increase the oxygen in the water and purify the water. In the end, we can reuse the purified water again. This will reduce the pollution in the community, water, and the world. About the primary waste management system, we encourage our students to separate waste into 4 types: recycle, organic, general, and hazardous, which will make the waste management system in the next step a lot easier. We also have a department about waste management systems, such as recycle and waste separation. More than that, we let our students see this place to make them understand the real process of the waste management system. The university has every building installed with solar cell panels on every rooftop to generate electricity for each building. From this, we can get 2 benefits. First, we can reduce the cost of electricity used in the building. Second, by using solar cell panels to produce energy, we will rely less on the outsourced energy, then we can sustain more energy by ourselves, reducing overall energy usage.